How to undo Snapchat filter. First of all, open the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Once you're here, tap on any of the filter over here. And as you can see, right now the filter is active. From here, you have to tap on the filter icon with three dots right below your profile icon. You will see similar lenses of this filter in this page. Tap on the three dots right over here. You will get to see this menu with two options. You need to select the option Remove Lens. Then, you need to tap on Remove to remove the filter. Here, you can see the filter is being removed successfully. In case you missed the first one, let me show you again by removing this particular filter. Tap on the filter icon on your top left just below your profile icon. Then, you need to tap on the three dots right beside the filter name. It will take you to this menu. You need to select the option Remove from this menu. Then tap on Remove and proceed with the command. So by following these steps, you can undo Snapchat filter.